Hi, this is Sumit from Glamour Car Accessories, Koramangala, Bangalore. Today we have Harrier 2023 model with us, and the customer is here to change the display, and along with that he is here to install the 360-degree camera. And today we have suggested him the MI system, which is an M11 system, single knob system, and comes with a lot of features. So this comes with 4 GB, 64 GB with 360-degree support, direct Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and supports HD camera, has multi-brand equalizing function, it's a QLED display, and 4-volt pre-out. And this also has 2x Type-C port in this. Like I told you, it supports 360-degree camera and has a 4G SIM slot option also. Comes with 1+1 warranty. This is 1 year, and if you register this online with the website, you get additional 1 year warranty. Along with this, we have also installed the MI 360-degree camera for this display, which comes with 1 year warranty. Let me show you the installation, how it has come. So this is how the system looks like, and that's your home screen. And I'll just go through all the applications we have in this. So you can see there are a lot of application in this. Along with that, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Let me just show you the 360 first, how it works. So this is the different angles in 360 we have. So if you see, we can change. You can see the clarity of the 360-degree camera here.
Left side, right side.
Right side, left side. This is the overall top view. So this is the front view. 3D view. Now coming to the interesting feature of the system, let me show you this knob. So this knob has a lot of features. Through the knob you can change many things in the system. So when you press it, so you have a volume option now. And then when you press it again, you have a song change option in this. And then when you press it again, you can change the color, ambience color in this. You can see that you can change different colors. So you come to volume now, and then we also have a screensaver option here. So if you're not using the system, this is a screensaver. And we have now connected the customer's Android Auto. Let me show you that as well. So that's how the Google Map looks like in Android Auto. And if you see, we have used a proper canvas, and all the steering control function works completely perfectly with this system. And we can also give you the option of door open warning when you open the door. So you see, when you open the door, you get a warning sign here. When I open this door, you get a warning sign here. So this is how the system is. And if you have query for your car and you would like to install such system for your car, you can get in touch with us at Glamour Car Accessories, Koramangala, Bangalore. Thank you.